There may not be a worse feeling in the world than going out, shooting video, bringing it home, just to find out that your audio is completely screwed. You have a buzz from your mic cord not being plugged in all the way. It was windy, it was echoey, anything. And up until today, that was probably a groundbreaking problem for you that absolutely ruined a shoot. You had to go back out and reshoot, you're in trouble. I am going to show you how to fix this in 30 seconds without having to download Audacity and become an audio engineer in order to fix an echo or a buzz in your audio. At Bonfire Media, we shoot ads for brands, and we use a lot of actors when we do so. If we shoot something on set with a bunch of actors at a rented location and then realize that we have audio issues, it could be a real problem to get people back to where they were, to make sure the set was the same and make sure the actors were the same. So I introduced to you Adobe Audio Enhancer. Let's say, for example, that you have audio that sounds even as bad as this.
I've seen other roofing companies make things harder on homeowners.
That buzzing noise kills everything. I absolutely could not use this. And again, the same thing applies with echo or wind or whatever. The first thing you'll want to do is export your audio to its own file. So in Premiere, we'd come into the export section, we'd click off video. Let's name this fixable audio, and then go ahead and export that. And once you have it, you're gonna click the link in the description or go to podcast.adobe.com/enhance. All you have to do is take your files, drop it in there, and let it upload. You can listen to your original audio, which obviously is ruined because of that buzz, and then you flick on the enhanced, and it sounds like this.
I've seen other roofing companies make things harder on homeowners.
And you can play with these two sliders a little bit to let in some of the background and pull back some of the speech enhancement if you want. In this case, it's not going to work very well, but you'll see in live time as I pull them, it fixes the audio right away.
Or just not reliable. Transactions rely on specific time frames.
So what once used to be a problem of your heart sinking through the floor is now fixable in 30 seconds thanks to Adobe Audio Enhancer. On this channel, we usually create videos about marketing or the ads that we make, and this thing has saved our tail so many times that I absolutely had to share it because it feels illegal knowing that other people don't know about it. So there you go. Consider yourself knowledgeable, and I hope this helps you create even better media. If you're a business owner or you're interested in the marketing advertising world, stick around. We've got more awesome stuff to come. Take care.